We are in the taste kitchen, staying ready with our always ready muffin recipe, which just happens to be in the cover of this month's taste issue. Let's get started. What's great about these blueberry muffins is that the batter will keep in your fridge for 3 weeks. And because you're using frozen blueberries, it means you can make them all year round. Just like that, after 30 minutes, muffins are done, and I'll be living on them for the next 3 weeks. They look so good. I mean, look at that. Crazy. To get the full recipe, check out this month's issue of Taste Magazine or taste.co.za. I can't talk now.